Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Magical Math Morning Session. And here you are learning the shortcut methods and the Vedic tricks using the Trachtenberg speed methods and all to make your mathematical calculations faster. And the aim is to become a mental calculator and to enjoy maths than what you used to do before. And every Monday to Friday, we join here to learn the sessions live for 15 minutes. Okay, let's continue today's session. We had learned the magical division by 9 in just 1 or 2 seconds. How you can divide any number with 9 in 1, 2, or maximum 3 seconds yesterday, correct? We are going to extend the same thing to multiply with to divide with all the any number by the numbers containing nines like 9, 99, 999, 9999, etc. Okay, this is the trick that you are going to master: 999, 999, or even 9999, etc. Let's take one example. I want to quickly recap what we have learned, how we divided any number by 9 yesterday. Let's take one number called simple one, 4321. I want to divide by 9. What I did, I removed the last letter because 9 is a single digit number. So one number I have removed. Then what I'll do, each number I'm going to write below. 4 I'll write. Then this 4 I will add it to the next one. It will become 7. This 7 I will add it to the next one. 9. The moment you will get 9 or above, you are going to write intermediately and add whatever the number, how many number of nines it contains, that 9. One carry over will add here, and once you remove one, what is remaining in the 9? Only 0 is left. Now you take 0 and 1. 1 is the remainder. So what is the quotient? 480 is the quotient and 1 is the remainder. This method I think you all remember. Correct? No, yesterday we practiced many sums based on this. Now let us take this number, same 4321, and let's divide by 99. 99 contains 2 digits. Earlier 9 contained only 1 digit. Therefore 2 digits means we'll remove 2 numbers at the end. Then what we'll do, we'll make the numbers as a group of 2, 2. And a group of 2 numbers we'll bring together. 43 if you bring down, it will come as a part of quotient. And this we'll add it here. There we used to add only single digit. Now we are adding 2 digits. 43 plus 21 is how much? 64. So quotient is 43. Remainder is 64. Isn't it simple? Definitely very, very fast. Correct? And conventional method, if you do, you are going to take at least 20-30 seconds. And here, once you know the methodology and practicing of writing, you need not write all these arrows and these carryovers. Directly we can add it. You'll be able to complete maximum 2 or 3 seconds. Right? Let me give you one more example. I want to give a little bigger number. 273124. This number I want to divide by 99. I'll come to that carryover. First, let us learn the simple method, then we'll go to the carryover. Okay. I want to divide by 99. Two numbers I will keep them away for the remainder. Remaining, I will just group them in two. What I'll do first, one group I will take it, 27. Then you add it. 27 plus 31 will become 58. Then you add it. 58 plus 24 will become 82. This is the quotient. This is the remainder. Let's see. Let's check the same thing for 3-digit number also before going to the carry system. 273124. I want to divide by 999. How many digits are there in 999? There are 3. Therefore, what we'll do? I'll make them into group of 3s. Last group of 3 will be kept for remainder. Remaining numbers we'll group them as 3. So what we do? 273 we'll write as it is. Then you add this, what you will get? 793. So this is the quotient, this is the remainder. Isn't it crazy? How fast we are able to do this? Small numbers you can write in maximum 2 seconds. This is the guarantee I give. Okay. Now we'll see the numbers when there is a carryover. Can we do with the same speed? Yes, but only thing is it may take 1 or 2 seconds more. That's it. Okay, let's take that one number called 34261. Okay, I want to divide by 99. What we have to do? Two digits are there in the nines, so I will remove two for the right side. Remaining numbers I'll group them in the form of twos. But the last one from right to left when you are coming, it is having only one digit. So what I'll do? I will keep 10 here to avoid any confusion. So what we'll do? Group of these numbers I will take it 0 3. You add this 3 to 42. What we'll get? 0 3 we have to add, correct? No, 3 we are not going to add 4. 0 3 we are adding, that's why this 0. So we'll get 45. Then you add this one to 61. 45 plus 61 will be 106. I'm not going to write directly, I'll write 106 here because it's greater than 99. So what I'll do, 199 I will carry here like what we did for 9. 199 will carry it here, and the remaining one I'm going to write in the remainder. What is the easiest method to subtract 106 from 99? You remove the 100 and add 1, it will become 07. So the quotient is 346, remainder is 7. Now I think you understood this one, correct? No, let's try to do the same thing for 999. 34261. Want to divide by 999. What I'll do, make them into group of threes. The last one on the left hand side, which is having one less digit, therefore I'll write 0 here. So quotient I'll write is 034, and for remainder I will add this 0 through 4. We need not write here directly, also we can add it. Okay, so what is that one? 592. So this is the quotient 34 and this is the remainder. Now we'll take numbers having some carry over, at least 1 or 2. Let's do the trials. Okay, little bigger numbers. Isn't it coming very easy? Let's take 3786421. Okay, first let's divide this number by 99. Yes, 2 I will keep it aside, remaining I'll make it as a group of 2. So whenever we are making a group of 2, last one what we'll do, if there is only one digit, we are going to add 0. So I'm leaving little bit gap and writing so that whenever there is a carry over, see these numbers when they are having with 7 8 6 and all, definitely there is a chances of getting a carry over. Whenever they are less than 5 numbers, small numbers. So what I'll do, I'll leave a little bit gap and I'll write 03. The 03 I will add it to 78. We'll get 81. Now 81 I'll add it to this. It will come 145. When you get 145, it is more than 99. So 199, 199 I will carry here. That means it will become 1. If you remove 99, what is left from 145? It is 46. I'll write as a part of the quotient. How do you do? 45 is there, just you add 1. That means 145 minus 100 plus 1. You do the subtraction by alteration technique. Then what we do? You add 46 here. It will become 67. Finally, we'll write the quotient as 382. This carry over numbers we'll add. 38246 is the quotient and 67 is the remainder. Without explanation, if I do, I'll be able to do this one maximum 4 or 5 seconds. Isn't it good? Dividing by 99 with such a big number, you are able to do in 4 or 5 seconds. You can make everyone feel crazy by your skills, correct? Let's do this division of the same number by 999. 3786421. I want to divide by 999. What we'll do? Group of threes, very simple. This will do 3, and whatever the lesser number of digits are there in the last part, we'll add zeros. So I will take 003. When you add to this, it will become 789. Now you add to this, it will become more than 900, 999. So I will write the sum of these here. 9 plus 1, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 1, 0. So what I'll do, 999, I will remove 1. That means 1210 can be written as 999 plus 211. So 1 I will carry, and this 211 I will write it as a reminder. How you can do this faster? 1210 minus 1000 you do, you will get 210 plus 1, 211. What trick we used to use? Take 1 here and add 1 to the remaining part. Remember the trick of yesterday. Now the quotient is 3790. Remainder is 211. Will you people do some problems now? Can I give you some? Let's practice. Let's start from a simple number. I think all of you understood this. Let's start with a simple number. Start with 3841. I want you to divide this one by 99. Just what you do, write the quotient first, give 1 comma and remainder next in the chart box. Do it as fast as possible. 38 and 79, very fast. Just divide it. Take 38. You add 38, you will get 79 is the remainder. This is quotient, this is remainder. Correct? Let's take this number. Next one. Very good. Little bigger number. 42,615 divided by 99. Write the quotient, comma, remainder. You have done correct, but you missed to type one digit. No. This is correct. What I got now. It's not 30, 430. Don't be too much of hurry that we'll do error. Okay? We'll type error. Doing, I think you would have done correct, but typing, there was an error. Correct? No? Take this group of twos. You will get 0 here. 0, 4. You add it. 3, 0. You add 30. It will become 45. 430 is the quotient. 45 is the remainder. Yes? Yes. There's nothing wrong if you type it wrong, but do the corrections for the next time. Okay. Let's take a little bigger number. One more digit I will add. 398642. I want you to divide this one by 99. Divide by 99 and take the answer, quotient and remainder. It's not that difficult. Only addition and one carry is there. So keep, whenever there is a carry, right here and take one step extra. That's it. Yes, Dhriti, very good. You're very fast. Very nice. What about others? Small mistake. It is actually 68 is the remainder, not 80. See here, you take this. 39 will come first. When you add 39 to 86, 125 will come. 1 will get carried forward and 26 will come here. Now you add 26 to this one, you will get 68 as the remainder. So it is 39 plus 1, 40. 4026 is the quotient and 68 is the remainder. Correct? In quick addition, sometimes you people will do wrong, but it's okay. With practice, it will become perfect. Now divide the same 398642 using 999 and tell me the quotient and remainder. Let's see who will do fast and accurate also. First priority is for the accuracy, then for the speed. If you learn how to do accurately, speed will come with practice. 398642. You make it to group of threes. You add it here. You get like this. Yes, that is correct. Divide this one by carrying 1 and writing 41 here. Not 642. You have to add this number. Correct? No? You have to add this number, then only it will come. So 390, see 398 we have written. Then you add 390 to this, you will get 1040, which is greater than 99. Correct? No? So I will remove 999 and add it here, it will become 399. And the remaining thing is 41 is the remainder. 399 and 41. See, while subtraction, you remove 1000 and add 1. Correct? No? Instead of subtracting with 999. Let's take one bigger number, including carryover also. 7899. Let's see. Last one. Last two, you keep it aside. Group them into two, two, and last one, don't forget to add 0, or else you will do mistake. No? It should be there in the, how many digits are there in nines? Two nines. Therefore, two numbers we have to group it. Write the numbers by yourself and keep more and more practicing. Okay. You should take the remainder also. Quotient and remainder also. Remainder you separate with the dash or some comma and then write it. Some of you have grasped the problem methodology very fast. Very good. Anything, if you learn one simple step at a time instead of directly jumping for the difficult ones, it will remain perfect and you will become very good in that. All of you are not writing the reminders, only the quotient you are writing. Last 32, what you did? You write the quotient and then remainder. See, 07 will come. You add it. 7 plus 86, it will become 93. We'll take it. Then you add 93 to 54. It will become 147. So add 1 here to the previous one, and 47, 147 minus 99 will become 48 will come here. This is the quotient. Then what about the remainder? You skip the remainder part. You add 48 to this one, you will get 80 as the remainder. So the quotient is 79448 is the quotient, and 80 is the remainder. Correct? So all of you got this correct, and don't forget to write the remainder also. Isn't it the easier method? Try these things to divide by 999 also, and like that you take some numbers, keep practicing, and then because these things, if you don't practice for at least some 3 or 4 times, you will forget this after some days. Okay, and help me reach out to more and more people so that even I will also get more energy to come up with this thing. Share this channel with all your friends if you like these things, and if you're feeling that you are getting benefited, let the people who are attending live become more and more, so that we'll get the more competition, means you people will get benefited. Okay, and see you all tomorrow morning with more wonderful trick, and till that time enjoy the maths. Okay, bye bye, see you.